Hello, this is Tom Butts with Accelerate in Tampa, Florida, and we're going to show you today how to replace an AT&T U110. Stay tuned. Okay, I've removed the U110 from its box. I've installed the cellular antennas, and I've set it directly on top of the unit we want to replace. Step one is let's take the power out of the unit in the bottom. And then what we want to do is move the cables to the exact ports in the replacement unit. So this is in port 6, we put it in port 6. This is in port 3, we put it in port 3. This is in WAN 1, we're putting it in WAN 1. And lastly, we want to take the SIM card, just like you have in your cell phone, take it out of the bottom unit and move it to the top unit. And then we will put the power. And remember, you want to use the new power cord that comes with it. It's the same as the old one, but a new power supply is a good idea. What I'm going to do now is show you what your to-dos are if your cellular connection is primary. Now, if this box is on 64200 firmware level, then you have no to-dos. If this device is also using cellular as backup, you have no to-dos, it'll auto-configure. But if not, I'll show you the screens you need to use to access the device locally and make it have a cellular primary connection. Thank you. Okay, I've plugged my laptop into the AT&T U110. I made sure I got an IP address from that device. And what I'm going to type in here is attvpngateway.att.com. That'll take me to the interface of the device. And if you look here, it says this profile for this device not been configured. That's because it's a brand new box and all configuration is centrally configured on these devices. If you can't get there, it doesn't resolve. The other thing you can do on a default box is the IP address is 10.10.10.1. It'll take you to that same interface on the box. So, first thing we want to do is configure the cellular radio to have connectivity. So we go to Network Settings, IPv4 Settings. Oops, excuse me. And I want to hit the Cancel button because right now it's set up for DHCP. I'm going to select the cellular button and hit OK. And this is the correct modem, the internal cellular modem. It might have a different name over here, but the internal cellular modem is what we want. And the access point name, or the APN, I'm going to pick 10,008 here because that is one of the AT&T standard APNs. It could be something different. You can leave it blank if you don't know what it is. And then over here, I'm going to put the phone number is #99*. And then for the user ID, I'm going to put X, and the password, I'm going to put X. Those aren't really used, but it helps to fill those fields in. It'll ask you to reboot, and I'm going to hit the reboot. It'll ask you a second time. And you say it. I'm ready to reboot. Now, when it finishes rebooting, it will come up on the cellular primary, on the APN you did it, and you're ready to go. You've completed the task. Thank you for watching. Okay, and if you notice here, you'll tell that the unit is online when the VPN light is lit. You see a whole bunch of LEDs here, power, online, VPN. But when VPN is lit, you know you have connectivity to your corporate headquarters. Thanks for watching.